What's up, guys? Back with another day. Today we are going to be playing... I didn't know. No, we're going to be playing Airplane 2. We played Airplane 1. Airplane 1 was really good. And now we're going to play Airplane 2. Well, I heard there was a secret if you get notes. Or no. You mad? You happy? You happy? Hi, girls. Where are you? Okay. Two players. No. Hey. Oh. I want to get in. 5 players. Please don't leave them alone. 1. Let them be. 6. No, 8. No, 9. Okay, we have 9 players, including me. Yes. Including me, because I'm in it. Okay. What? What? Wow. This is my seat. Passenger. Why would I not be a passenger? Ew. Games. Is that mirrors? Okay. Ah! Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Airplane 2. My name is Keely. I will be your pilot in this flight. As you can probably tell, this is not a regular plane. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome you to the 99-1 Presidential Academy. I think you heard right. The president would like to collaborate. I don't know how to read. Well, I know how to read some, but I don't know how to read. We still don't understand. Can I sit here? Okay. Wow. Alright. Enough chatting. Please find the seat. The golden. I already did it. It's not golden. It's greeny. It's greenish. Yellowish. Well, mostly green. What are you doing? What are you doing? That's what you get for not being polite. Did we just do a barrel roll? Thank you for your collaboration. I have been... I don't know how to read much words, but I know how to read lots of words, but not that much. Ooh, look this. Not. What? I want to get one. I want to get not. Ooh. I think it's part of the secret. What you guys at? You're supposed to come here. Okay. Did anyone else see that? Yeah, I saw it. And you didn't. Hey, President. Are you the assistant or president? Welcome to the president. Okay, you're not. Agent. You're the agent. There's only 4 people now for you to flee. Ew. He. Ow. I'm gonna look everywhere for no. Nope, not here. Let's jump. Let's jump, let's jump. Jump. Let's jump. I want to jump, it's my favorite thing. That's all. Whoa. Okay, I'm grabbing one. Ew. Oh! Was that me? Was that me? Oh no! I'm so sorry. Look at the myth. The president is going to be so mad. The sweeper's in here. Sorry about that noise. If you hear that noise, it's damn. You think I'm full? He's making a mess in his room, I think. I'll go to the top. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Put it ready now. Please follow me to the dining room. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, let's go. Oh my gosh, you're so red. Hello. Yeah. Look for notes. Is there any notes? Computer room. Is there any notes here? Okay, I think no notes. I'm sorry. My name's Ronald McDonald. Ronald. He's president of the United States. Roblox States. Ronald. Sorry to interrupt you, Mr. President. The food is not ready yet. I believe the chef messed up. What? Throw that chef out off this plane. We will take care of him, Mr. President. Great chef. You look like a great chef. But, Mr. President, I have never cooked before. Well, you better learn quick, or else I'm throwing you out of the plane too. Oh. Let's see and watch. Let's watch the funniness. I don't want it to die. I want him to put the right things in, because we only have 4 people. Stop, robot guy. The soup needs corn. Get the corn, it's literally right up there. Oh my gosh. I want to better chef. No. It's talking too long. Take him out. taking too long. Okay. Oh my, that scared me. Ooh. Some soup. It looks delicious. Everyone take a seat. Okay, let's eat. Oh, he's eating over there. Okay. Already. Okay. Enjoy. Jonathan next to me. Why does he like me? Does he know my YouTube channel? I don't know. Okay. Get blood. Okay. How did the ball seem flat? What? I should be meeting you again. The computer room. I saw the computer room right there. Ooh. Any notes? There's some in here. Actually, wait. No, we've already went in here. No. We need to go to the computer room. Welcome to the computer room. Okay. Now, you must try to figure out the code. Good luck. The code is pink. It's pink. Good. Yeah. Okay. Okay, pink. Pink, good. Good, pink. Yes, pink. I'm pink. Yes. Wanted. Pilot room. Okay. I found keys. I had to get everything ready. Yeah, anyways. As I'm very special, yes, I will let you sleep in the bedroom. Yay! It's literally right there. I found the keys. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me be at the door because I found the keys. Okay. Him. Okay, him. I should have 4 now. Okay, 4. Okay, I'll give you guys this count. This is like a trip. Oh, some TV. Time already. I can't sleep. There is something about this flood that scares me. That should be me. Guys. Oh my gosh, that scared me. That done. Where is that thing? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh no, it's the monster. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my god. It's only me and you. He died, it's only me. I'm staying up here, because what if he comes? Oh my gosh, guys, it's only me. Fire! We need to run! Okay, I'm just gonna stay here. I'm not moving a finger. I'll be safe now. I don't know. He could come and kill us. The floor. Get on something. Hi, quick. Oh my. Oh my gosh. What if it does this? Is it high enough? I think it is. What is this phone? Oh, the phone is ringing. Guys, the phone is ringing. Hello? Who's there? Hey guys. I'm glad you picked up. Something terrible is happening on this plane. You don't say. I can't tell you much through the phone. I need you guys to come to the pilot cabin. The problem is the door is locked. Just give me a minute while I try to unlock it. Get closer while I do that. Careful with the monster. Might still around. Hey. The monster scares me. I'm shivering right now. I'm sorry if I die right now, guys. Get it. There. Go, open the room. Can I continue? I don't have that much, do I? No, I don't. Oh my gosh, that was big and really big. You know, I was really shaking. That scared me so much. Oh my gosh. That's so weird. I'm still shaking. Oh my gosh. Well, I hope you liked this video and see you guys another time. Bye.